Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Larissa and I post cleaning videos on this channel every single Tuesday, and normally they are like cleaning motivation videos, like speed cleaning motivation, but as you can tell by the title of today's video, today's going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be doing a review, and as you can tell, it is going to be a review on my vacuum cleaner. I have the Dyson V7 Animal cordless stick vacuum, and I've had it for about a year, so I would like to tell you guys a little bit more about it and tell you everything that comes with it. So if you are interested in learning more about this vacuum cleaner, then stay tuned. I almost forgot to mention that today's video is super exciting because it is the first video that I am recording on my new camera. I actually bought yesterday the Canon PowerShot SX740HS camera. The packaging looks like this, so I am hoping that this will greatly improve the quality of my videos, and it was definitely like a business investment, and so I'm very excited to be filming on it today. So like I said, this is the vacuum cleaner that I have. It is the V7 Animal, and it is perfect because we have a dog who sheds. So it does a really great job at picking up all of the dog hair that gets embedded into the carpet, and I will talk about that a little bit later. But first, I wanted to tell you some basics about this vacuum cleaner. So this vacuum cleaner retails for $329.99 on the Dyson website. However, on Amazon, it retails for $269.89. And we actually purchased this vacuum, like I said, about a year ago, and we purchased it for around $260 at Target. And it was right after one of the newer Dyson vacuum models came out. So I feel like if you wait until one of the newer vacuum cleaners comes out, you can definitely get the older model for a little bit cheaper. And so I feel like $260 something and some change is worth it for how amazing this vacuum cleaner is. Next, a lot of people are curious about the runtime of this vacuum since it does go off of a charge and it is a cordless vacuum. So this vacuum cleaner, when it is assembled like this with the motorized head, runs for about 20 minutes, which might not seem like that long, but it really doesn't take that long to vacuum, especially for me since I live in a smaller apartment. We have about 650 square feet, so I can easily vacuum around my apartment without it dying on me. But if you are not using the motorized head, and if you are using one of the attachments that it comes with, which I will get into in a little bit, it can run for up to 30 minutes. As far as the size and the weight of this vacuum goes, this vacuum weighs 5.45 pounds when it is assembled, again like this, so just like your basic way of vacuuming when you are just vacuuming the floor like normal. And it is about 4 feet long whenever it is assembled like this, so it is technically, I think, 49 inches. So now let's talk about all the attachments and things that it comes with. So obviously the vacuum, this is what it looks like. And I will talk about how it empties out in a little bit. But first, this is just the vacuum cleaner, and this is what you charge in order to make the vacuum run. Then it comes with the tunnel for vacuuming the floor, and also just the motorized head. And as you can see, this all comes apart. And so like you could even, if you wanted to vacuum out your car or vacuum a couch, you could just assemble it like this. And so it's very multifunctional, but for the most part, I just keep it assembled like normal. So one cool thing about this vacuum is that it comes with a wall mount, and this is what the wall mount looks like. And so you can actually like screw it into your wall, and then that way just the vacuum part can clip into this, and you will have your charger hooked up to the back of it. And so whenever you hook your vacuum up to the wall mount that is mounted on the wall, it will charge it for you. The reason that we don't have this mounted on the wall is that since we live in a small apartment, there was really not a good spot to mount this. And so I feel like whenever we get a house, we will definitely be using this feature that it comes with because it's great. It's super easy and convenient to charge. We also just have the charger that it comes with. So for now, we just plug this into the wall and charge the vacuum like that. But like I said, you can obviously put your charger into the wall mount and charge like that. The next attachment that I want to talk about is just like a miniature version of the motorized head. And so this is what I actually use to vacuum out my car. So when I'm vacuuming out my car, I just hook it up like this, and I will vacuum out my floorboards and everything like that, my seats and everything, and it's super convenient. And as you can see, all of these attachments are super easy to hook up to the vacuum, so it's very convenient. Next, the Dyson vacuum comes with these two brush heads, and I've actually never used this one before, but I have used this one, and I like to use this to vacuum off my windowsills, my baseboards, or any weird area that's weird to get to. You'll definitely find a use for almost all of these attachments. So again, it just hooks up like this, and then you have a brush attachment. Lastly, this is probably the most basic attachment that almost every single vacuum cleaner comes with, and it is just this tube, this like stick vacuum attachment. And so this is obviously great to get into the corners or the creases of your carpet. And I will also use this to sometimes vacuum off the baseboards or the windowsill. You can almost find a use for every single one of these attachments, like I said. So now I wanted to talk about my favorite features of this vacuum cleaner. We've had it for a year, so I definitely have found my favorite things about it. And so I would say that the coolest part is that it is cordless. I've never had a cordless vacuum before, and so whenever we got this, I was vacuuming everything like crazy. I was super excited to use it. So the charger just plugs into this little hole on the back, and then it doesn't really take that long to charge, and so it's super convenient to just whip around the apartment real quick to just vacuum our apartment. Another really cool feature that I love about this, and I've heard that this model is different than the older ones, but to empty it out, and I'm not going to do it right here just in case there's some dust that comes out of the bottom. I don't want it to get all over my bed, but this little red lever with the trash can right here, you're just going to lift this up, and then whenever you lift this part up, the bottom part will fall open, and then this part on the inside will push all of the dirt down. And so you just hold it over your trash can, pull up the lever, and it empties for you. And I guess on the older models of the Dyson, whenever you would pull this up, you'd have to kind of take a butter knife and scrape around the barrel of it because it wouldn't push it out. Whenever you would pull it up, it would open the bottom, but it wouldn't push all the dirt out. So you were having to get in there and get all that dust all over your hands. And so this is definitely a very hygienic way to empty the bin. So that is everything that I have to say about the Dyson V7 Animal. I really have nothing bad to say about it. It is an amazing vacuum cleaner. It does an awesome job at sucking up all of the dirt out of the carpet. And every time I vacuum, I'm always amazed at how much dirt there actually is in the carpet. So it's either showing me how dirty my home is or how amazing the vacuum cleaner is. But it is definitely awesome, and I have not come across a mess yet to where it won't vacuum up what the mess is. And so it does an amazing job. It's super convenient, portable. I will definitely leave a link to it on Amazon down in the description box below so that if you are interested, you can check it out there. I would definitely recommend not ordering off of the Dyson website, either going to Target or ordering it off of Amazon because it's going to be a lot cheaper. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean the world to me, and definitely hit the subscribe button down below if you are interested in seeing more cleaning motivation videos. And I also plan to review a couple more like cleaning products, cleaning gadgets in the future. So if you are into that sort of thing, then definitely consider sticking around and subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.